In this video, I'll show you how to use the KAST virtual crypto debit card to pay online and track spending inside the app. First, fund your KAST balance with a supported asset. Many users prefer stablecoins like USDT to reduce price swings, but always check the app's deposit and conversion rules so you understand any fees or spreads. Once your balance is funded, tap the card icon or go to the card section and select your virtual card. Open card details to view the card number, expiry, and CVV, then add it to any website or app that accepts card payments, just like a normal debit card. When you make a purchase, approve any verification prompts, and keep an eye on your available balance so you don't get a decline. After the payment goes through, return to KAST and refresh your activity feed to see the merchant name, amount, and any charges shown by the app. If a payment fails, common causes are low balance, merchant restrictions on prepaid/virtual cards, or temporary conversion timing, so try a smaller test transaction first. Subscribe for more practical crypto card tutorials and real-use tips.